The 10th North East Zone Shooting Championship 2023 Rifle and Pistol, organized by the Shooting Association of Meghalaya in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, kick-started today at the indoor and outdoor shooting ranges of the Assam Regimental Centre in Happy Valley, Shillong. 227 shooters from 6 states of Northeast, except Tripura and Sikkim, will be competing in different shooting categories in the coming 7 days. A 10-member jury and technical officials from National Rifle Association of India will oversee the conduct of the tournament as per the rules and regulation laid down by the National Rifle Association of India.
We have around more than 230 shooters from all over, which includes also shooters from the services, which is the Army and the paramilitary forces. And we wish them all the best. The tournament is from the 21st to the 27th of August 2023, and we do hope to one day have our own range where we'll be able to produce more shooters. Meghalaya is represented by about 25 shooters. There are almost 50 events being conducted here in different categories, and this is the first time we are conducting so many events.